the upcoming Bihar elections are now concerned, what we are learning that ahead of the elections there has been a big decision that has now been made by Nitish Sarkar. Free electricity in Bihar from August onwards, that has been a big announcement, a power-packed announcement that seems to be made up to 125 units, a big bonanza that is now coming in just ahead of the elections there as far as when it comes to this announcement that is now concerned. Now this announcement of free electricity that has now been made for Bihar, for consumers, and right ahead up to 125 units has been when it comes to this announcement. Of course, as far as the elections are concerned, there has been no EC official confirmation on it, but most likely in October or November when these elections that would be taking place, and this announcement that has now been made by the Bihar government deciding that from the 1st of August, that is from the July bill itself, all domestic consumers of the state will not have to pay any money for electricity for up to 125 units. This was the Chief Minister himself making that announcement on social media. And now what is being said that he has also informed about the state government's decision to install solar panels at household rooftops or near public places with the consent of domestic consumers. So let's get in a word from Mohit. Mohit, big bonanza there. Of course, everything now will be linked to the upcoming elections there. But this free electricity announcement up to 125 units is coming from the Chief Minister himself.
Well, yes, in fact, Amita, it was expected that something in lines of this particular issue of free electricity would be announced by the NDA government in Bihar. And none other than Nitish Kumar, the Chief Minister, from his official X handle, has put out a post where he says that the government have decided that from 1st of August 2025, that is from the July bill itself, all the domestic consumers in the state will not have to pay any money for electricity up to 125 units. And this will benefit around 1 crore 67 lakh families in the state. Now, they have also decided, Nitish Kumar has also put out that in next 3 years, with consent of all these domestic consumers, solar power plants will be installed on the rooftop of these houses or at the other public places for providing benefits. So a major announcement coming in from Nitish Kumar just before the Bihar election. And Amita, it comes a day before Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be visiting Bihar. He will be inaugurating and laying foundation of various projects in run-up to the Bihar election. This is Prime Minister's third or fourth visit when it comes to the Bihar election.
So big announcements there, of course, as far as even when it comes to what's going to be there in their party manifestos or Sankalp Patra, it seems to be one of the bigger announcements that is now coming in for mainly the consumers there of Bihar from the month of August onwards. Nitish Kumar announcing free power up to 125 units. Let's put that out for our viewers as far as this post that is now coming in from the Chief Minister himself, where he goes on to say that हम लोग शुरू से ही सस्ती दरों पर सभी को बिजली उपलब्ध करा रहे हैं और अब हमने तय किया है कि 1 अगस्त 2025 से यानी जुलाई महीने के बिल से ही राज्य के सभी घरेलू उपभोक्ताओं को 125 यूनिट तक बिजली का कोई पैसा नहीं देना पड़ेगा। इससे राज्य में कुल 1 करोड़ 60 लाख के ऊपर जो परिवार है उनको लाभ होगा। और हमने ये भी तय किया है कि अगले 3 वर्षों में इन सभी घरेलू उपभोक्ताओं से सहमति लेकर उनके घरों के छतों पर अथवा नजदीकी सार्वजनिक स्थल पर सोलर पैनल का जो उपभोक्ता है, संयंत्र है, उनको लगाया भी जाएगा और इससे कंज्यूमर्स को लाभ भी दिया जाएगा. As far as this announcement that is now coming in from the Chief Minister himself, we also talk about now how the opposition has reacted to this. When it comes to this announcement, let's take you through exactly when it comes to the reaction that is now being put up by RJD's Tejasvi Yadav, and this is what he has said कि जिनके पास नहीं है अपना कोई विजन, उन्हें फिर से सत्ता में लाने की क्या कोई है रीजन? All right, this seems to be as far as when it comes to the tanj kaste हुए, as it is now said in Hindi, where we are looking at Tejasvi Yadav seems to be taking on Bihar Chief Minister himself, Nitish Kumar, over the free electricity announcement that has been made. We are in